Hey everybody, Professor Benelou here with a quick look in what to expect in week number 4. Week number 4, of course, is going to be a really big week, another big week because of Unit 4 discussion board, and we will get into that. But first of all, my office hour chat schedule for this upcoming week. Okie dokie, Monday, which will be September 7th. I will be holding my office hours from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time as usual. And then on September 8th, which will be Tuesday, September 8th, I'll be holding chat number 4 at our regularly scheduled time. Please check that out in our classroom. Okay, so the remaining Unit 3 due date is Tuesday, September 8th. You will have your Unit 3 in telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, now we need to get into the nitty-gritty of Unit 4 due dates, because again, very important because of the Unit 4 discussion board being due. You have 2 important written assignments in this class, HIST 101. Sorry, I couldn't speak. You had your Unit 2 discussion board, which you should already have done. And then you now have your Unit 4 discussion board. So please, if you haven't gotten Unit 2 discussion board in, get it in and make sure you get Unit 4 discussion board in. These are 2 very important assignments. Okay, so your Unit 4 due dates are as follows. Friday, September 11th, you're going to have 2 important things due. Firstly, on September 11th, Friday, September 11th, you will have your Unit 4 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then secondly, on Friday, September 11th, you will have your Unit 4 discussion board original post due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Remember, the original post is where you pick your topic and you write on that topic. Okay, then on Tuesday, September 15th, you will have another 2 important assignments due. Firstly, on Tuesday, September 15th, you will have your Unit 4 in telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then finally, and very importantly, on Tuesday, September 15th, you will have your Unit 4 discussion board responses due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now, your responses is where you respond to 2 of your fellow classmates. And remember, with Unit 4 discussion board, there's a little bit of a twist, right? Because each of your response posts must be 100 points. And remember, if you tailor your response post, excuse me, to your classmate's post, and you answer the 4 questions that are in the assignment directions when you respond to your classmates, you have no problem reaching the 100-word goal for each response. So you should be submitting 200 words in response posts. All right, everybody, please work diligently on Unit 4 discussion board. Have a safe and happy Labor Day weekend, and please let me know if you have absolutely any questions. Have a good one, everybody.